Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this Pepe part 2 update. Maybe you don't want to get a 15 USDT, but click on the top right of the video to enter my Discord for free and give me a heart, okay? If you like my work, give me a heart. If you've enjoyed the Pepe videos, give me a heart. It doesn't cost you anything. And even on the channel, I've been asking some people if they want me to make a part 2 of Pepe. So here you are, okay? So I'm gonna make a part 2 of Pepe, Jasmine, Bonk. So at least all you can do is just drop a heart. That's all. Or maybe just give me a rose here. I like roses, man. So back into the Pepe video. Here you are. Technical targets are getting met. The market is looking extremely greedy right now, which is kind of a bad sign. But just because you're greedy doesn't really mean you may not push higher. So today I started off telling you that if a new all-time high is about to be printed, then as long as we hold above 0.618, we may see Pepe pushing up to 7,051. You may not believe this, but that's just how it is, okay? I've seen this before. I've said this with SHIB as well. It happened to SHIB. It can happen to Pepe. It happens to so many other different coins as well. When you cross the golden ratio, this is just how the Fibonacci works. Cross the golden ratio, you move to 1.618, right? Now, but we've seen Bitcoin taking a small dip just to maybe scare a lot of people away. So did Pepe. You can see this wick pretty much took a lot of stop losses. And today as well, I was talking about how you kind of have that pattern that you broke above. So a lot of people, when they were trying to trade this pennant right over there with the technical target up to 3817, you haven't really met the target. I think you still should continue up and meet the target somehow. But before you meet the target, you kind of came down, swipe off everyone, liquidate a lot of people, and try to push back up. I don't really think this is bad just yet. I kind of know a bad dip that may happen in the market, and then things may go really, really down. Now, let's say, you see, I've told you, the golden ratio is somewhere here at 3,000, okay? You're sitting at 3166 at the moment. So if you kind of don't make it above 3,000, okay, and you start to come down below and go to maybe 2473, take this out, you could actually see Pepe coming down to 1742. This is just a heads up, you know. If you end up coming down, take that wick again, take this area, flush this stop losses, the pen gets destroyed, this target that gets destroyed as well, then you open up the window to actually continue to come down. I think it's still good, right? Still good. We're just holding better, but you know, anything can happen because there are reasons for things to drop because of how you've moved up and how many people may be looking to enter the pump. Okay, when people enter the pump, they may get actually drawn down, but still there's no sign of stopping just yet. Even more is that on the daily time frame, okay, on the daily time frame, you have some chances of looking at Pepe up to 3817, as I said. But if you look at this candle, one green, green, and in the next 5 hours 44 minutes, you are about to close this candle. If you close it green, if Pepe manages to come even up to 3488 and close green on the daily, that means we may see a consolidation here, break up, and continue even to the upside. I may actually see maybe some pennant forming up and then consolidate for some few days right over there and then try to break. And if you break, imagine that you go from there to there, and you probably could be looking for a move up to even 6,200. That's just my own thought, okay? We may not even make a pennant to begin with. And that's all for this video of part 2 regarding Pepe. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.